guys, it's me Jay, and we're gonna play some more Lumber Tycoon. I had fun doing this, so yeah. Look what we got. Off camera, I bought some land, I got a sawmill, and I got the new. But now we're gonna unbox my new car. 1, 2, 3, E. Where is it? Yo, this is beautiful. All right, well, come on, Joshua, let's go. All right. Hold up. I'll teach you. Just wait. I'll teach you. All right, guys. So we're gonna put my car down somewhere. Where would you think? Oh, yep. Well, actually, we have to put it in. This is my base back here. I got the sawmill, and now I can use my sawmill. I have to first save up $95 so I can use my so I can buy like something sort of pad. All right. Well, come here. Go to my base. Let's rotate you, baby. What the heck? T. No, you have to say first. No, I'll show you how to say. T. All right, guys. Oh my gosh! What the heck is wrong with my car? Where's my box? Oh shoot. Where'd my car go? Oh my gosh, guys, where's my car? Here we go. Now we have my car, guys. Let's bring you to my new natural home. So let's go. Bring this to my house. It's behind. If you guys don't know, this is I want to get the closest home to this place, so I can always just bring back all the wood I can get. Here. Yeah, there's my house. We got this now. So put these away. Okay, put it down. Need to open my box. How do you put it down? Up. One, two. We got the car. Our car's been placed. Oh, guys, look at this new baby. We got this awesome new car. Let's drive this thing. Yo, I think, yep, let's go. Oh, it feels great. Now I can put stuff in the back of this truck. Far away. Turn! Alright, let's get you. Car, don't leave me. If you leave me, you're dead, car. You hear me? Alright, guys, we got this tree. Oh shoot, we already know that. Wow. The silver axe is so good, guys. Remember in the last episode when we got this axe? It's a really good axe, in fact. Alright, we'll put these ones in the trunk. I love doing this. If you guys are enjoying this Tycoon, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Well, like and comment. So I can at least have some other games I can play. Also comment. Oh shoot, what happened to that tree? Make sure you guys also comment what big games I should play. So far I only have Roblox, but don't worry, I will be uploading Minecraft and other games when I get them on my computer. So guys, yeah, this is my nice little game. This is my nice little buggy. I bought the sawmill. But what should I do first? that in there. Put this in. Put this in. No, please, why you? Is it just me or is my... No. No, please. Yeah, my car's going farther away. That's just me. Let's cut these ones up. Let's get that. Alright guys, this is actually really fun. And the only person I waitlisted so far is my brother. Get out. No. Yeah, why is why is my car moving backwards? Stay here. Yo, where are you going? Is this the reason why I'm always missing? God. Slam dunk it. Yay, we hit it in. Alright, no, wrong seat. No, please. Get this ready for the... Oh shoot, wrong place to be. Perfect. Right there. Oh, what? I didn't get that in? Are you kidding me? What the what? Alright guys, let's put this wood in. Kobe Bryant. Ah! Get that up. No, please. Okay, good. I thought I was gonna drive it. Are you kidding me? Why? These fall out during my great driving. Oh my god, the tiny one's under the car. Take you on there. You in there. Now these ones are the ones we need to get. I know you guys are thinking, guys. You know what? I'm not gonna use my sawmill at first because I'm gonna have to. I want to get a conveyor so it can be a lot more easy for me. Cause it's gonna take me like freaking forever. Remember my last episode? It took me 5 minutes just to get this one wood into thing. I was doing some research on the game and I was playing off camera. Sheesh. Let's carry this. Yay! Oh no, oh, it's back there. Okay. I feel so good just doing this. So guys, what do you think? This is my new sawmill, and yeah, we're just gonna sell all these woods first. You guys should also comment what things I should get, because there's stuff I really wanna, there's stuff I wanna try to do, like do other stuff, like build a giant conveyor system with my sawmill, cutting everything up. That was one of my ideas, because I first looked on videos on YouTube, and I just saw it was ridiculous for me seeing all those cars. Well, guys, this is gonna be the end of this episode. If you guys are enjoying this series, please like this video, and also comment for other video games. I might be posting Rental Tycoon, Retail Tycoon, if you guys know what that is. I'm just gonna first finish these wood, then we'll end the episode. Yep, with just this one trip, but that much. Alright guys, this is the end of me for this episode. Hold up. This is the end of this episode of Retail Tycoon. You guys should also comment, like, and subscribe for other videos. So goodbye guys!